All right, we're back. We're gonna, for those just getting into it, we're doing the Omega SCX10 II UMG10 kit. But anyway, we got here, right here to the links. So they all went. That was good. And we all went smooth. Everything went good. I did make a little note. First time somebody wants to do one of these, it just says right here, plain. It just says note direction of the links, and I went ahead and wrote that earlier. So it's just a pan hard bar. See, you just don't want to confuse the two. That's all. That's all good. We're gonna move on to the shocks. Open bag C, open plastic bag number 2. And I did. There we go. I ordered that on eBay. So I'm gonna get these open. And we'll get started. Open bag C. And open plastic bag. I'm gonna go through here and get started. Alright, I laid it out. I'm gonna do it in order. I'm gonna put these. There's your little diagram to make sure you got the right one. Everything's all here. One thing, 2 rings, and then I'm gonna shock cap end it. I'm gonna use a little bit of this on each one and in the end here. Here we go. I'm gonna build up the rest of these and go ahead and get it to the oil. Alright, we're gonna use the ball ends are in plastic bag. Yeah, plastic bag 1. So you just don't have, you won't have to go look for them or anything. But yeah. All right. So we're going to move on down here to number 14. Hey, I just wanted to share this parts tree, AX31577, the shock and the parts tree. So anyway, AX30 132. They come in the bag, deburred already. There is a little bit of difference in the two different ones. I use the ones that come in the bag, ready to go. And these are ready. This stuff's super slimy. It leaves a little coating on them, which is pretty neat. And that's about it. I'm going to use the 30 weight oil. I'm going to move on, clean up from the shocks, and I'm going to go on to the rest of the see what's on number 16 and 17. So I did make a note to myself, this SCX10 number 1 in the plastic bag, parts number 1. I'm going to come back to that. So anyway, I'm going to go on. This will be just for the shocks, and then we're going to go on to the rest. Like, subscribe, comment, you know what to do.
I don't know where the sprinkle stuff is. And water's good for you. I just told you, okay?
Hey, the part number for that. Green slime. I found it on eBay.